I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Divi Engine as a trigger. Click the Fetch button, go to the form page, and submit the form to retrieve it. Form submitted successfully. After submitting the form, the Divi engine has been successfully fetched. I will now change the field types for the email and phone numbers. Set action. Now here search and select Salesmate. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for session token. Copy your link name from your URL link and paste here. Now click on Salesmate session token. Copy session key and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select Action. Select Owner. Now map the fields. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Salesmate. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now let's go to the Salesmate. Here is the data that came into Salesmate through the integration. Thanks for watching.